of this video. Sorry for a previous part. I didn't say anything, but this time my voice has been revealed again. Sorry, I got good talking, but I'm really good at singing. So yes. This thing is one month ago, and this is my forest with many birds. I have this event, tropical tanagers. And yes, this is the same colored tanager. It's another species. It's an event. And yes, this is sun color. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I had the first belonging bird. Maybe I sound a bit, I'm not good at really talking much. Sorry, but you can see the sound from loud here. You all stay because it's Vietnamese. They're Vietnamese, okay? They speak Vietnamese. I don't know why I do this, but this is so casual. Bird kind play game. I play bird kind always. But like always in summer, but not in school. But not in school. I know that this is a terrible video. What this? But yes, I'm Vietnamese. Maybe I stop talking again because sorry. I think this rare one is rainbow bee eater. Yes, a rainbow bee eater. Yes, I don't have any winter feathers, okay? No rebels. I have 10% winter. because this video is 5 minutes, so bye.